Shit, I'ma go, this shit clever, yeah. Copy don't care about the total, yeah. Talking like they really huddle, yeah. Mama had told me watch out for them snakes. I just cut in the whip like this shit was on skates. You was my partner, was more like my dog, but this money hit different, though you can relate.
Another one does like exchanging phones and what
Yes,
you see.
yes, those ones.
Yeah. As we do the berries, the hands, the girls.
The girl.
But now, yeah, even they do it. But which one are you talking about? Which one are you referring to?
We bamba ass, is what I'm saying.
Keep my numbers. I'll see the stories.
Yeah, for sure.
I want drop names. I don't want wahala. It's just fine. I'm still going inside.
Yeah, go left. It's left, ne? We do it in here.
No, in
Or
front.
straight. Or in front, ne? Oh, yeah, in front, yeah.
I've got a story for you guys. Oh,
Ne?
last week, guys.
This is the one
Yeah.
What happened last week?
This other chick, I think it was other chick, the request for from Konka, close to Konka.
Yeah.
So, now the boyfriend, this guy is a side. This one is a side.
Okay.
Now this guy's like, this side of mine doesn't like me. He made fun of me because it's vendor.
Yeah.
He made fun of her in front of some KFC vendor colleagues.
Yeah.
Now she got pissed. How did she pay back? So now apparently this girl is giving her head.
Huh? In the car?
No, I don't know.
Oh.
But now it's about to come. Guess who pulls out?
Who?
Again. Like
No.
payback. She's from the streets.
Huh? Just for the streets, ne?
Without
So y'all be getting, so
Definitely.
this Uber drivers behave emotion though.
Yeah.
Y'all be getting girls for free, bro.
There's one.
I'm sure you'll be going crazy, yeah, ne?
No. What I see is I can see that these ones they want to drive me crazy. I don't want.
Mm.
Like, you're not my cup of tea.
Or you spot the action from far away.
We're not. I'm just saying, that's what I'm saying.
It won't work.
I'm like, this girl, what's that guy? What
You just drove
These days you need money too. Dick alone is not enough.
It's not enough.
You feel
Back in
me?
the day, you had to have a six pack.
Yeah.
It's not enough.
Things have changed now. It's the youth now.
Yeah, give me a channel. Let me subscribe.
Let's go on YouTube too.
Yeah, I got my.
Ooh, is that your wife? Is that your? Is that?
I mean, I'm sorted. I don't want wahala, man. I don't want drama. Like,
Hey, my fries on the floor and shit.
On the floor, nigga, in the train.
Your shit in the train, my shit was here.
I don't give a fuck. I mean, nigga, you give me all of them, okay?
What you mean? I already got two, nigga.
I want it then, nigga. Do
Your
something
shit,
about it. I
man.
want it.
It's your shit.
I don't want it,
Damn.
bro.
It's your shit. Put it in.
Okay, then.
Damn.
The fuck?
The fuck?
What the fuck?
It's your shit, bro. Okay, then.
Okay, nah.
You know what I'm saying?
It's like she got the message.
You know what I'm saying? Now I'm gonna give you more 5 stars now, baby. You know what I'm saying? Is she on?
Hmm?
Is she on?
Yeah, that's your.
Damn, I'm saying, what is your camera? God damn. Nah.
Nah, my baby.
Bro. Hold on.
Hold on, now.
What you doing?
You stuck with this girl.
I thought I was gonna give you some dick after this.
You can still get it though.
Fast, man. Allah, she can still get that shit. She did give us some free food though. Hey, bro. My question is, bro. When was the last time you had
All
sex?
last question. You are asking
Last
me.
relationship.
And I was like, it was
When was the last time you get some, bro?
2021. Number one.
You know what I'm saying? Like some. You know what I'm saying? Hey, the people wanna know, bro. The people that wanna know.
It's been a few weeks.
Crap.
When you give me like that, no care, bro. Nah, remember I told you about that time? That time.
Is it a week?
Yeah, that was the last time.
It's been some
I
weeks.
said weeks. It's weeks, bro, you say.
Yeah.
Yeah. When last time you did club, nigga?
I haven't prepped this year. I'm celibate.
You have matzwa, you don't celebrate. Don't
Celebrate.
make it seem nice. You have
I'm celibate, bro.
There's a difference between celebrate and matzwa. If you are celebrate, you don't do it at all.
Now check. If you celebrate, if you don't do it, oh you're a virgin, man. If you celebrate, you have done it, man. But now you've chosen to protect your energy to give it to somebody you feel like she deserves it.
But you could have been done it.
Because
And now
so
you
far,
fit to
so far,
celebrate.
there's only one person that I would say I would have wanted to slap, to clap. You know what I'm saying? But it didn't happen, so I'm still cool with it. Because being celebrate is like, you're not a virgin, you've done it before.
Exactly,
But,
that's what I'm saying.
but you've chosen not to just clap whatever. You don't clear. You can go like even 5 months without doing shit. Yeah, because you're protecting your
dick
energy.
was ring by 5 months. I will have been too rough, boy. That need to be exercised, boy.
Nah, true.
You feel me?
I'm gonna expose this nigga. Yeah, I'm gonna thank
What
me.
you mean exposed?
Y'all gonna thank me for being here today. I'm finna ask the questions. Y'all need to know.
Then like, ain't now you can expose me.
Hold on, but let me talk my shit, bro. Let me talk my shit.
Come on, then.
Who gave you the best head?
What you mean?
Name drop.
Because that one, I don't remember your name.
Which
That one, I don't remember your name.
The last one. She went crazy, huh? I told you she went crazy. You were like she didn't go crazy like
Nah, I
that.
didn't tell you she went crazy.
Cause the way you were talking about that, she's like she was stupid. But who was?
Why you asking me for Ricky on?
What the fuck you want me to ask? Which school did you go to? I don't give a fuck about that shit, goddamn. Who gives a damn about that, bro?
Hey, Maravé, what you saying?
Who was your best body? I'm not talking about hair, I'm talking about sexual wise. Like who was going crazy when you know what I'm saying? When you were digging the shit out of it, you know, you were like, oh shit, yeah. This is it right here.
You don't even know, eh? Bro, I be outside. Man.
Don't be having so much body you don't even know.
Nah, what's the bill count?
Body count 6.
Shit.
I am good.
Add 10 to my shit. Add 10 to my shit.
Damn.
But I saying them like
Bro, I don't even remember. That's how many though. I mean, I've been fucking this bitch since I was 12. It's wild, bro.
The way they saying them, you're making me fair. They was like, I'm outside, bro.
You look it up, bro.
What's the freakiest shit you have ever done to a hand?
To your hand. Oh no.
Boy.
Probably just eat it out, bro.
You are free. You are a freak, but a bull.
What?
You ate a bull.
Nah, the coochie.
Oh, the cooch.
I don't go there. Hold on, Jamal. Don't pull out that shit, no.
Would you ever eat bull, bro?
Hell no.
What if it's a hand you really
I don't
love?
care. Even if it's my wife, I don't care. I'm not doing that shit.
Some clean shit.
Bro, have you done that shit?
Nah, I haven't.
Would you do that shit?
No, I wouldn't.
Yeah, I believe that shit.
Oh, yeah, look at me like you don't
believe that shit.
Nah, the booty level is crazy.
I don't believe that.
Nah, the booty level is crazy.
No, I don't believe that, man.
But if you locked in to
I don't care. You got 10 of my kids. I put a ring on that shit. I met your grandma, your great grandma. I'm not eating your shit, bro.
shit, this bus is full, bro. Cow.
Yeah, that shit's
They're even standing. What the
I'm not
hell?
going home, bro.
What type of bus is there?
And there's a follow-up bus not even that food, bro.
Look at the wind, solo tape, boy. Cow.
That's tough.
Real life. Solo tape on the window, on the car.
I don't care, but I'm not eating no booty, bro.
And if you look, maybe if I have my 2 kids.
I don't care. I'm not eating no booty.
What's the thing with me, no? When I get into relationship.
You're making damn. Trying to make a video right now. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, bro.
Nah, I love tomato sauce, bro.
I don't like tomatoes.
Nah, I love that whole, bro. I eat everything with tomato sauce, like rice, pasta. I don't care what it is, bro.
Yeah, maybe those type of not fries.
Fries, whatever it is. I'm about nuggets, whatever it is. I'm gonna put that shit.
But I make these, they're lucky losing the salt on the cheese.
Facts.
It used to be like salt, that's
It
bad.
has to be even a nice sauce.
Right now, it's like, you know, man. I'm about looking at us like that. First time you see somebody vlogging on
You want a chip, bro? You hungry, bro?
You trying to be in the video or something, bro?
You trying to have a chip, bro?
No, man.
Now go crazy. What's the craziest thing you ever done to a bitch?
First thing I ever done.
Yeah.
Shit. What is it, man?
Oh shit, you wanna ask me, but you don't even know what the shit you did.
Bro, I be doing everything, man.
That boy wild, man.
I do everything, bro.
That boy wild, man.
I do everything to a point where I don't even know what the freakiest of them are.
Damn. Where's the freaking
But the
thing, bro? Okay,
Freakiest place.
we never did.
Backyard.
You gotta still answer the question, what's the freakiest thing you've ever done to your hand?
What's the freakiest? What you say? Name top 3 never remember.
Shit,
I may do everything. Like what would
Eating
you
booty?
what would you consider? Nah, I haven't eaten.
I still feel like you're deep, bro.
Nah.
When you ask that shit, I don't know about your ass, bro.
What type of eat? Eat like nga or like
Nah, like lick that shit, dude.
Not leave.
Like, see when you eat it, maybe you eating that. Man, this shit too juicy, bro. Nah, this shit too freaky, bro. Like you eat it like you eating the coochie there. Then you just pass by and lick that motherfucker one time, like.
Nah, not with the tongue level. Not with the tongue level. But the dick level for sure.
They've eaten that shit.
Are we inside? Nah, not with the tongue, nigga.
Not with the dick.
What
You have to smash the anal.
The other level.
Yeah.
What's wrong?
Oh, dude, no, bro.
Somebody will do it to you if you don't do
I'm not
it.
gonna do it.
Someone will do it.
I don't give a fuck. I'll pass it to you then. She want that shit, I'll pass it to you then. Man, fuck it, man. Let's talk some innocent shit. What's a dream car?
You got points.
I ain't got shit, bro.
She just did the points.
Yeah. What's a dream car?
Lemtra boy. Lamborghini Urus. See where I get the car?
Yeah.
HIV same day. I'm joking. But for my first car, like, you know, like when I'm saying I'm settling down.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro, an Urus. It's like I'm not like a luxurious type of car guy. I want some sports vibe shit.
Fuck the sports shit, bro.
Nah.
Got time for this shit. I ain't got time for that.
For your first car, what would you go for?
Mercedes.
This one.
I don't know, probably like a E220.
First car Mercedes. When people say about idea.
Fuck no.
They have
I'm not saying for the Mercedes.
Yeah.
I ain't trying to be true, but I'm not saying for the Mercedes. I'm not saying for that.
See me, once I even get the money for the Agia, it's on site. I'm coming with it, bro.
You be doing whatever,
me, I be wanting a car, bro.
I don't give a fuck, I go Ubers, bro. Saving for my shit.
I can't get in my Agia. What do you mean, ooh?
Ah, man, how come getting your shit?
Get in my Agia, boy. Content every day. Drop for them boys every day, bro. Monday to Friday.
Uber dropping every day. I ain't gonna lie. The problem these days is kind of cold, so you can't get emotion outside, bro. Like it's hard to get motion outside because it's cold as fuck.
I think he made to shoot around 1. What time is it? Around 5 or 4?
I was like 4 or 5.
Ain't nobody trying to beat the videos. But I'm shy. What do you mean you shy?
Said Kobe. I'm not gonna
Yeah. Do it.
Yeah, now that means I'm gonna go pick it up if I don't do that shit. You gonna miss that shit. Oh!
She. One more time.
What the heck you think you are, man? What?
Talk about Emily.
Oh!
No, that's the point. One more time. If you doesn't call me now, fuck me. Bruh. This like it's a paper.
I told you, bro. Leave it, boy. But it's on camera, bro. 4K.
I can't do it there.
Man, I don't do that shit, bro.
How about you do it there?
Come on, man. This shit too easy, bro.
How about you do it there?
Let me check.
Let's try, boy. Where you wanna put it? Put it in?
You see the sound?
Oh, I thought this vibe is open.
Nah,
So put it in there.
Yeah. I'm gonna first try what you're trying. Then I'm gonna do the dance.
Alright. I'm not saying shit. I'm not saying shit.
Oh!
Yeah. Oh, you're not him, boy. So much for judging me. Bruh. Let's go now.
That was close as cat. But I'll check these though. You know what I do?
I'm a real close in fan. Shit. You literally came here and you were like,
You couldn't do it though.
you came here though.
You couldn't do it though.
My point.
You just see what you're liking it.
Listen. My point is. My point is I was throwing the shit when I was here, so I threw it from afar. When you came close, bro, you threw it in there.
Ain't no way, bro.
Yes way.
You just wanna talk shit for the camera. Y'all know I did that shit, bro. Hey, come on, why you trying to talk shit for the camera? Like that bad bitches right there looking at me weird.
I stay in the cut like a band-aid, and that's where my shooters be. One down, gun tuck, tool on me.